Before we start with the video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Million and Billion and do not forget to press the bell icon for more updates.
Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Million and Billion. Myself Deepak Jha, and today we are gonna learn how to link your PAN card with your Aadhaar card. So at the outset, one has to enter the PAN card. Later one is supposed to give the details relating to the Aadhaar number. So we'll just open our Chrome browser. Search link Aadhaar in the search menu. Go to link Aadhaar e-filling. Here you will see a page developed by Income Tax Government of India. So you need to enter your PAN card details, Aadhaar card number, name as per Aadhaar. So here we go. We will enter our details. While submitting the details, one must ensure that the details are correct. So just click on I have only the birth here. There is a captcha given here. So for the people who can't see, they have given an option to say the captcha.
V3YGA5.
So link Aadhaar. So here you can see your request has been sent to UIDAI for validation of Aadhaar. Please check the status later by clicking on link Aadhaar hyperlink in the home page. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe our channel.